Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the case above 50% and make sure your Android is updated. Next, install a BLE utility app to read advanced info and turn on Bluetooth, location, and nearby device permissions. Once done, open the AirPods Pro 2 case near the phone and press, and hold the case pairing button until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. Connect from the phone's Bluetooth list. The BLE app will confirm signal and firmware ID, so you know pairing succeeded. Once paired, you enable the extra features through third-party apps. You use a BLE app to read individual bud and case battery percentages, and install Material Pods or Air Battery to get on-screen pop-ups and EQ shortcuts. Next, map the stem gestures. Assign single, double, triple presses and press and hold to media, assistant, or transparency toggles using the app. This replaces iOS-only settings. Also make sure to grant microphone and notification access, so features like live listening. You finish by optimizing sound and handling common failures. Toggle active noise cancellation, transparency, or off from the companion app and fine-tune EQ in your player so vocals and bass balance correctly. If you see odd battery readings, dropouts, or one-side audio, check firmware in the BLE app. Perform a factory reset by holding the case button about 15 seconds until amber then white, then repair. If problems persist, reboot the phone, re-grant permissions, and test with another Android device to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.